What's up guys, welcome in this new video. After almost 2 months of lockdown, I'm finally back in nature. I'm in the Julian Alps, 30 minutes from my home, and this place is called Altopiano del Montasio. It's a fantastic plateau where actually a famous type of Italian cheese is made. And our goal today is to hike up till that saddle up there. It's called Forca di Stays. There should be, I think, 2 hours hiking, and from there we should be able to capture a pretty cool ridge with grass on one side and a vertical drop on the other. So should be cool. Stay tuned. See you later. We kind of changed our plan, so instead of heading to the saddle up there, we're trying to get a little bit more on the left and go towards the top of that mountain, from where we should be able to have a better look at the ridge. Oh, look. There is an ibex. Guarda. Hello. Com'è?
Bellissimo. È bella sta cosa.
This is crazy. It's like I would say more than 1,000 meters drop. It's pretty scary actually, but it looks awesome for photography and for videos. Really incredible. Wow. This is crazy. This is so good. I don't think it's a crazy condition for photography, but I'm so happy to be back in nature, enjoying some wilderness again. It feels incredible, you know, after a lot of time basically stuck at home and doing nothing. Yeah, of course I'm processing, I'm thinking of new adventures, but nothing can beat the feeling of being out there, breathing fresh air and enjoying some, I mean, it's simple things, you know, it's just sitting on a rock, enjoying sunset, but you know, it's my life, so it's impossible to replace for me. Alright, sunset is done. We're not waiting for blue hour or stars because the hike down is very steep and can be quite dangerous, so it's better to start earlier and be safe. Alright, so we're finally back at the car. It took us a very short time actually, less than an hour. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been super happy to be able to get out in nature again. So a lot of new videos are coming soon, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next adventure.